The rain is coming on now in Pergola Nurseries, but we're going to get settled in some nice anemone corms for late spring and early summer. There are a whole range of anemones you can plant. That's Hollandia in red, and the bride in white, of course, sulphide cerise. Bicolour is exactly that, Mr. Fokker. I can plant a variety of them. There's also doubles. Have a look in the web shop, a whole range of double varieties as well, including our own St. Bridget, which is fantastic. Now, to plant them, there's nothing easier than anemone corms to plant. This is what they look like. So they're like that there. You can't go wrong. There's no top, middle or bottom, and all you need to do is have a bit of reasonable soil, scoop out a planting hole like that there, using just the ordinary Korean hoe, trowel, whatever you've got, and in go the corms, and they will flower late spring and early summer. Put them down about 3 or 4 inches in the soil, so dig, drop, done. It's a very easy way to create colour. We're after everything a daffodil there as well. An easy way to create colour for late spring and early summer. So anemone corms, in they go. You'll do an awful lot of them in 20 minutes, or you can plant them in pots and containers if you want. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.